Dress Up Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw BTS BT21 Tata to celebrate Valentine's. So let's get started. To draw super cute Tata, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So we're going to come right here and draw a circle. Small little circle. And then I'm going to come right here with another circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. Then I'm going to come right next to it, really close, so say about right here, and draw another circle. And same thing, highlight and shade it all in. There. And then we're going to come above each eye and just draw a straight line over it. And same thing here. And then the mouth. So we're going to kind of draw this like a big kidney bean, right? So right underneath the eyes. So come right here. I'm just going to draw a curve, then dip down, and then curve out again. And then round it off on the sides. And connect at the bottom with a curve to create the mouth, and then we're going to come into the center and draw a curve. And I'll just come in here and thicken this up. There. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm going to come straight. We need to draw the head, which is a big heart, right? So I'm going to find my center and I'll just come down to say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point, and then I'm going to use that as my guide. Go up nice and high to say about, let's just say about right here. You can always make adjustments later if you need to go higher or lower, but I'm just going to give myself these 2 points right in the center. And using those 2 points, I'm going to draw my heart for his head. So let's go up. And about right here, I'm going to start to come down. So like I said, you can make the adjustments later. Just put in this side first. And come in, like if you need to make it a little bit thicker, wider or thinner heart, I mean. So say about right here, and then we're going to draw the other side. So the other side of Tata's head, the heart is higher up. So let's go up, which is nice, right? It doesn't have, it's not even, so a lot of room for, doesn't have to be perfect. So we're going to go up higher, and we're going to come back to here. So just remember that. Go up higher, and then we're going to bring it down, back to our point. So it's nice to have this point so you kind of know where you're going. Gives you a guide. Oops. Okay, there. So I have his head in. So just remember one side is higher. Then from there we can draw his body, which is nice and simple. So we're going to come about right here. And we're going to, because he's floating with a balloon, right? So we're going to give his body a little bit of a curve. So we're going to come right here, draw a curve, and then come here and draw another curve. So and then we're going to come back, draw his little feet. So we're just going to round this part off and bring it up towards the center, and then this side is going to be cut off right there to draw the other foot and connect. There, so that's kind of the shape we want to aim to draw. And then from there, the hand. So right here, just gonna give Tata a little curve right here, and then in. And then this side is holding the balloon. So let's come about right here in this space here, and we're going to draw an oval for his hands. So I'm just gonna bring them about right here, touching his head. And draw this ovalish shape. Then from there, we're just going to bring down an angle line to connect back to his body. Then this is where we're going to put our balloon. So let's come right here, and we're just going to draw a string that comes out of his hand area, and then the string is going to come up from here. So let's give it a little bit of a curve. We're going to go up past his head to about right here. Make some adjustments. And then about right here is where we're going to draw a balloon. So let's come right here, a heart balloon. We're going to draw a little N to our balloon right here. And then this is our center. So I'm going to just give myself a point. So I'm just going to go up. So it's at a slant. So I'm just going to say about right here. Coming down, and then this is going to be my top center. I'm going to go up and draw our heart balloon and bring it in. There. So same thing on the other side. So we just want a nice fat heart balloon and bring it in. So make any adjustments you need. Make this part a little bit wider. There. You definitely need to turn your body if it helps to draw these big curves. Okay, so that is pretty much it. And then he has a bunch of spots on his yellow spots on his body, but I won't mud it up with a Sharpie, but just draw in some circles here and there. Well, you know what? Let's just do this so you can see it a little bit better. I'll just lightly come in here. Some of these half dots. This one's a circle. And then another one here. And I think there's one here. And that is it, pretty much it. I really hope I helped you draw a BT21 Tata here, fun and easy today from BTS to celebrate Valentine's, and that I helped you draw fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.